Ever wonder about the DNA of your favorite crypto tokens? You hear terms like ERC20 thrown around a lot in the blockchain world, but what does it actually mean? And more specifically, when it comes to a project like Beam, which is making significant strides in areas like Web3 gaming and decentralized applications, is Beam an ERC20 token? Let's dive into that question, because the answer reveals a lot about Beam's fundamental nature and its place within the broader crypto ecosystem. The simple, straightforward answer is, yes, Beam is an ERC20 cryptographic token. This is explicitly stated in Beam's own documentation and confirmed by various crypto data platforms. But understanding why it's an ERC20 token and what that entails for its functionality is where things get interesting. First, a quick refresher, ERC20 is a technical standard used for smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It defines a common set of rules that all tokens must adhere to if they want to operate within the Ethereum ecosystem. Think of it like a universal language for tokens on Ethereum. These rules include how tokens can be transferred, how their total supply is recorded, and how users can check their balances. By adhering to this standard, ERC20 tokens become highly interoperable with other applications, wallets, and exchanges built on Ethereum. So, Beam being an ERC20 token means it lives on the Ethereum blockchain, or at least started its life there. This immediately gives it access to the vast infrastructure, liquidity, and developer community that Ethereum offers. For a project focused on Web3 gaming, this is a significant advantage. It allows Beam to leverage Ethereum's established security and network effects. But Beam isn't just an ERC20 token sitting on Ethereum. It's the native cryptographic asset that powers the Beam network, which is an Avalanche subnet. This is a crucial distinction. While Beam exists as an ERC20 token, it also serves as the fundamental infrastructure layer for transactions within its own specialized network. Here's how that works. Beam functions as the gas token on the Beam network. Every transaction, including in-game actions, requires Beam to cover gas fees. This is similar to how ETH is used for gas on the Ethereum mainnet. Furthermore, Beam plays a vital role in securing the Beam network through validation and delegation. After an upgrade known as Horizon, Beam will be used to validate and propose blocks on the Beam network's mainnet. This transitions it towards a proof-of-stake model, where holders can contribute to network security and earn rewards. Beyond its utility as a gas and staking token, Beam also grants its holders governance rights within the Merit Circle DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization that powers the Beam ecosystem. This means Beam holders can participate in shaping the future of the Beam protocols and exert influence over the ecosystem's direction. It's also increasingly accepted as a means of payment within various decentralized applications, games, and smart contract systems built on Beam. So, while Beam starts as an ERC20 token, its utility extends far beyond simply existing on Ethereum. It's the lifeblood of a growing, specialized blockchain ecosystem designed specifically for the future of gaming and decentralized experiences. It's a testament to how projects can leverage the foundational strengths of established blockchains like Ethereum while building out their own specialized networks for specific use cases. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.